In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to play Netflix FIFA football game. Let's get started. If the game is available in your region, getting started is quick and easy. First, open the Netflix app on your device and sign in with your Netflix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the game section where Netflix offers a variety of mobile games included with their subscription. Look for the FIFA football game in the list of available titles. If you cannot find it directly within the Netflix app, you can also search for the game in your device App Store or Play Store by searching for terms like Netflix FIFA Football or the game's official title. If the game is available in your region, you should see an option to download or install it. Tap Get Game or Install and you will be redirected to the appropriate app store to complete the download. After the game is installed, launch it and sign in using your Netflix account credentials when prompted. Once authenticated, you'll be able to access the game and start playing right away without any additional purchase. Keep in mind that game availability may vary depending on your location and Netflix current game library. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.